Okay friends, it's time to get started on replacing our hood lift supports. The process for this will be the same on either side of the vehicle. What you want to do essentially is come over to either end of this. You can either start at the top or the bottom, it doesn't matter. And what we're going to do is just come right in the center right here. You're going to find a tab. We can just gently start prying out on that. Once it's pried out, go ahead and pop it away from the area that it's latched into. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and hold up the hood with my shoulder because I don't want it to potentially fall down and hit me in the head. We'll go ahead and pop this lower aspect out as well. And there it is, friends. Now it's time to install the brand new one here. Let's go ahead and start right up, down at the bottom. I'm just going to line it up with the little piton. We'll slide it in, listen for a click. Give it a nice push, make sure it's secure. Moving along to the top here, go ahead and line that up with its piton as well. Nice little bonk. Give it a tug, make sure it's secure. Like I said, the process is the same for the other side. After you've completed that, let's go ahead and test it. I'm just going to bring it down a little bit here. Make sure it wants to lift back up. Essentially, these are just supposed to make it so it can't fall down on you while you're working underneath the hood.